Sunday, November 16th, near White Falls. Our deepest fears have been realized. Soulblighter has found the summoner, and through him has unleashed the Mircridia on the world. They are nightmare made flesh. Even men hardened by combat cowered in miserable terror at first sight of them. We suffered appalling losses getting His Majesty safely on board the Vigilance. Not a single man from the outer guard made it to the ship. By the time we were safely away, the dock was so thick with soulless you could hardly discern where one ended and the next began. We fell silent as their ranks parted to make room for a grotesque crone who hurled obscenities more vicious than any poisoned barb. Upon seeing her, the king turned to us and said, "Shiva is a formidable opponent, and it is unlikely that she will fall for the same trick twice." I believe I have read of this in the journal. Shiva was defeated at Madrigal by her own vanity, thanks to advice given by the still living head of one of the fallen lord's old enemies. I wonder where the head is now. We could certainly use the help. We made haste toward Tandem, our rallying point. Tandem is the cornerstone of the free cities of the north, and the key to Tandem is White Falls. So we will sail up the meander and secure the fortress there. We cannot allow Shiva to cross the meander. Doing so would mean the destruction of Tandem, and no one will remain to stand against the dark.
All right, men. We must silence those cannons. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go.
Ready.
Over here.
Move over. Move over. Stand clear. Got it. Move over. Where?
Casualties.
Yeah. 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 I'm moving. Yeah. Yeah. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Over here.
What now?
I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. Over here.
Stand clear.
Casualty.
Get out of the way.
Yeah. Let's go.
Move over.
Yeah. Let's go. We'll do it. Over here. Share. go.
Move over.
Yeah.
Stand clear.
Make way for the dwarf.
Let's go. I'm moving.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, wee.
Step aside.
Let's go. Yes.
Stand clear. Yes?
I'm moving.
Step aside. Yep.
Let's go.
Stand clear.
Yeah.
All right.
What? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
We must hurry.
Casualty.
Yes. I'm moving. Chill. I'm moving.
Sir?
Let's go. I. Yes. Chill. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do it.
Make a hole.
Move.
Yeah.
Over here. I'm moving. Yeah, I'm moving. Yes.
Yeah. Make way for the dwarf. Get out of the way.
Chill.
Make way for the...
The ship's taking another hit. We must get to those cannons. I'm moving.
Stand clear. Stand clear.
I'm moving. Yeah. Over. Yes.
Move over. Got it. clear. Sweet. Step aside. Stand clear. Moving. Stand clear. Move over.
We'll do it. Yes. Yeah,